think is a weirdo because he doesn't share our sense of ironic detachment of this hip, snide, smart alecky.
Oh.
Yes, boy.
Well, in a few moments, I'm going to put on my Versace, get into my Mercedes, drive to my Fifth Avenue apartment, and squeeze my girlfriend's big face. And that's all you're talking about. Paid for all of it.
Good for you, Mac. But I'm still telling him.
Paid fools enough. I'm happy for you. I am. Gonna miss you, babe. Some things.
Lord.
Like this? Thank you. You don't like it, oh, yes. Really are. I think these roses might be a little too high. I won't be able to see her. Do we have any small?